If you're looking for the best night creams for oily skin, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair. This product is very lightweight. The hyaluronic acid in it keeps your skin moisturized for longer durations. You can notice the results in a week. It has got retinol that heals the fine lines and gives you a gift of radiant, glittering, glowy skin. Moving on to the next at number 2 with the Face Shop Chia Seed. This skin cream contains natural ingredients. This cream provides the goodness of chia seeds that restore sun hydration. Coming straight from nature, it helps skin to heal both during the day and at night. It leaves no grease or shine. The number 3 position is held by the Body Shop Tea Tree Night Mask, a blend of salicylic acid and tea tree oil extracts. The Body Shop Tea Tree Anti-Imperfection Night Mask helps keep skin oil-free and heals it internally. The mask formula makes skin absorb the goodness of extracts and undoes away all wrinkles, blemishes, and fine lines. Next at number 4, we have Lotus Professional Phyto RX Anti-Aging Night Cream. Organically prepared, the Lotus Professional Phyto RX Cream tones dull skin into a cheerful toned one. The results can be seen with one use as it hydrates skin, restoring moisture very naturally. The number 5 position is held by Clinique Super Defense Night Recovery Moisturizer. For a radiant shine, this night cream works the best by helping repair skin overnight. It lifts your skin, holds it up by boosting elastin production. It side-by-side withdraws upon moisture content to hydrate skin adequately. Neither too much nor too little. This cream is in 2 different categories, one for oily skin and combination with oily skin, and the second one for dry skin and a combination of dry skin. The number 6 position is dominated by Plum Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel. This is a cream that contains purely natural ingredients. Specially designed to hide aging by healing the fine lines and wrinkles, it leaves skin matte without the dry look. The licorice extracts help lighten skin to give it a radiant glow. The gel-like cream gets absorbed well into the skin, so much so that your skin is going to love the nourishing pamper. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Olay Regenerist Anti-Aging Night Cream. Olay keeps the primary focus on giving your skin a moisturizing regime. The Regenerist cream works throughout the night to provide an eternally youthful look the next day. Olay has added vitamin E, amino peptide plus B3 complex, and other antioxidants to give a fresh look. The ingredients like green tea and glycerine help a lot in reducing fine lines and other aging signs from your face. The number 8 position is held by Forest Essentials Night Treatment Cream. If you are looking for an herbal alternative to your daily products, the Forest Essentials Cream is the best choice for you. The 100% natural night cream contains jasmine and patchouli. The herbal extracts act as the perfect skin hydration and reduce excess oil production. However, natural ingredients may also cause allergies. Therefore, consult a dermatologist or try them on a small area before using it. Next at number 9, we have CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream. Who said caring for your oily skin should require breaking the bank? This budget-friendly night cream was developed with dermatologists to work with your natural circadian rhythm to promote healthier skin by morning. Formulated with hyaluronic acid, an ingredient known for retaining 1,000 times its weight in water without weighing skin down, and a series of ceramides and niacinamide, this formula works by restoring your skin's natural barrier when it's at its most receptive. By repairing your skin barrier, your pores will begin to regulate, eliminating excess sebum production and renewing a balance of oil that leaves skin looking less shiny come morning. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Ren Clean Skincare. Since oily skin can be synonymous with acne and breakouts, finding a night cream that works not only to regulate oil production, but also redness is such a good idea. Formulated with a series of acids and extracts to rehydrate, mattify, and calm oily skin, our soothing, clear, calm formula makes waking up rosy a worry of the past. What's more, all of the ingredients work to protect against environmental aggressors, like free radicals and UV radiation, while keeping the skin's protective barrier intact. This means that this powerful night cream won't just repair the damage that's already been done, it'll prevent against any more, too. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.